my name is Envy. Today we're going to do a clock craft. We need 2 paper cuttings and I colored them black. We need a pushpin, really dangerous. I got a thermocol to not hurt with a pushpin, really dangerous. And I got a paper plate with numbers on it. Your mom could write the numbers or you could write the numbers. 1 to 12 numbers. So let's start doing this. I just put it like this thing, TikToking one. And I got the pushpin I'm gonna need. I got a pushpin in. Now, first, let's put it in here. Then let's get the thermocol and put it. Be careful with your hands. See? Now take your thermocol, stick it right onto the pushpin, right back. Do you see the pushpin? Just beep. I put it. Beep. Now it's all. It's still moving sometimes. Now it's all done. Look, now your clock is ready. This is a really simple craft. I'm gonna tell you a story with the big brother, small brother. Look at both of the brothers. So, I'll tell you the story now. The big brother's name is Minute, and the small brother's name is Others. If the big brother's on 12, and the big brother makes a big round, ding, the small brother just moves 1 number. Now it's 1 o'clock. If again the big brother goes 1 big round, this accent you made there. The small brother goes 1 number. Now it's 2 o'clock. When again the big brother goes 1 big round X. Sometimes the small brother moves with the brother. Big brother goes 1 big round. The small brother goes 1 number. It's 3 o'clock. If the big brother's on 12 and the small brother's on 4, it's 4 o'clock. If the big brother's on 12 and the small brother's on 5, it's 5 o'clock. If the big brother's on 12 and the small brother's on 5, on 6, it's 6 o'clock. If the big brother's on 12 and the small brother's on 7, it's 7 o'clock. If the big brother's on 12 and the small brother moves on 8, it's 8 o'clock. It's almost getting to 11 o'clock. Then it go to. Now the small brother is on 10 and the big brother is on 12, what is the time? Yes, it is 10 o'clock. If both are on 12, what time is it? Yes, it is 12 o'clock. The big brother and the small brother keep on moving every day and every night and every morning and every afternoon, every time. They don't stop. Big brother is so fast, the small brother is so lazy. They catch they catch again and again to 1 to 12 along the line. Like we play catching game, they're playing catching game. They're catching to 1 to 9. Lots of times they catch. You could make a simple craft at home and learn to tell time. Hope you like it. Thank you. Bye-bye.